Hi everybody, this is Evo, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to record your screen for free. So the first thing you need to do is go to flashbackrecorder.com/express. I put the link in the description. So you see this is the page, and you have basically two options. It's a free plan and a pro plan. With free plan you got full functioning recording software, and when you purchase the pro version you got also editor. So for this time we're gonna click this free version. We're gonna save it to computer. Okay, let's just open the setup file. Okay, click next. I accept. Next. So just installing the software right now. So wait for a few seconds. There we go, it's completed. Uncheck this and click Run Flashback Express 5 now. Finish. Let's minimize this. Now you have the program opened and you have these options right here. So you can record full screen. That's gonna record the whole page or full screen. The second is a region in English. The next one is a region, and the next one is window. So I recommend full screen and check microphone. You see the levels of audio right now as I'm speaking, and you can check or uncheck if you wanna record PC sounds with speakers, and also a webcam. So if you check the webcam, you can choose the webcam probably. Right now you can't see me because I'm recording with different software and it can't record same webcam simultaneously. So we're gonna try it. Now hit record, and I don't know. Oh, it's counting down. And it's recording the screen, so you can pause the recording, or you can stop recording. So I will stop this right now, and you can play it, or play, save, or delete the recording. So I'm gonna hit the play. And as you can see, and it's recording the screen. It's playing. So we have successfully recorded video with this software. So this all is for free, this software. So very good value for that kind of free version. And that's all for this video. I'm happy if I helped you, and if you want to see more videos, more tutorials on things like this, please let a like, and please subscribe for more. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it.